We are officially en route to
Shell Island. Woohoo! Just over 3 hours to go.
So we will update you when we get there.
See ya.
We've officially set up camp, so we got a little table.
Welcome to my crib.
It's the tour.
No, you give the tour.
So everything's staked down, ready. Here's our little front mat where you take off your shoes. And you come in, Tom's side, my side, and we have a bunch of mats and different things put down to try to make it comfortable. We have pillows here, but we might sleep with our heads this way. So this is the setup right now. And
Okay,
show us your little bedside table.
Here it is. Not bad.
This is our view from outside the tent. We're in the tent for the night, except we're probably gonna have to go out and brush our teeth.
What's up, gang?
This is our setup. So we've got our toiletries that we're gonna need, some water, tissue, some snacks.
Me.
Let's go. Good morning. We made it through the night in our tent, and now Tom is cooking us some sausages. We have some orange juice out. I got a coffee this morning from the shop.
Some eggs ready to go.
Want to explain about our night in the tent?
Dry. The tent survived. But it rained a lot.
It rained a lot. Got a little wet.
We got a little tiny bit wet.
But not too bad, huh?
Considering.
Yeah. We are currently leaving the campsite and we are on our way to Snowdon Mountain, which is the tallest mountain in Wales.
Yeah.
It is?
And it's like one of the biggest ones in the United Kingdom. I think there's only a few in Scotland that are bigger.
So it says it's gonna take us 3 hours, so we'll time ourselves and we'll keep you updated. Alright, we're almost to the car park, but look at these views. Alright, we are just starting the walk.
It's raining.
This is the very start, yes. So, look, my lens is wet. I need to put the camera away, so we will update at the top.
We're going up there.
You can't even see it. I think we're finally on the final stretch.
Let's hope so.
Back. Our feet are killing us.
It has been 5 hours.
So it takes the average person, I think, 6. So we've done pretty well. It's just the walk back has been rougher for me. What about
my
you?
toes are fucked.
Yeah, it's tougher on your joints as well,
We
but
also took a longer way back as well.
so we're going like around the mountains, I think, instead of through, really. There's an air ambulance right at the top of this mountain. And we're not sure if they're looking for somebody or like if someone was missing, somebody's hurt. Just hoping that everyone's okay. It is the next day. It's about 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock, yeah.
We are boiling the kettle, trying to trap the wind so that it boils quicker, but we've been waiting ages because we're gonna have it all for
Hot
lunch.
noodles for lunch, a late lunch,
Yeah.
and it could be our last meal here.
Yeah, we're trying to decide right now whether or not to leave tonight or tomorrow morning.
Basically, forecast is for rain all night, so like, what's the point?
Yeah, so it's looking more like we're leaving tonight. Also wearing a bucket hat because I have burnt the top of my head.
But at least it's nice and sunny.
It is last beautiful day here, most likely. Look at how pretty it is. Update, pot noodle was shit.
It wasn't warm enough.
We didn't wait for the kettle to completely boil,
Even though it was really hot.
but it didn't completely boil and we were being impatient because it was on for like, how long
A
did it
good
go?
half hour.
Yeah, so anyways, we didn't eat them, we dumped them, and now we're going to get ice cream.
And we're going home.
So we ended up getting this instead. Oh my, are you excited?
Looks good, doesn't it?
It does. Let's
Get in
dig in. And we got our ice cream.
Woohoo!
Cheers.
This makes it all better.
And we're officially off. We are heading out of Shell Island. Just coming onto the causeway.
That's right. It's about 10 past 6. Most of the day here. And yeah, just ready to
Yeah,
drive
we're
home.
ready to get back. We don't want to be packing up. We didn't want to be packing up in the rain. So we decided to pack up. Look, Jeffrey's all packed.
And we can like drive home in the nice sunshine.
We might stop off at a pub or
Okay.
KFC and get something to eat on the way.
Bye.
Bye, Shell Island.